Mexican and South American cuisines take all day to build flavors. Furmano's is going to take some of the time out of that effort with our line of seasoned beans. Our seasoned black beans are rich with garlic and cumin, and our seasoned pinto beans are spiced with chipotle, green chilies, savory bacon, and everyone's favorite beer. What you can use with these products is making your own burrito and bowl program, just like some of the biggest restaurant chains growing in America right now. Let's start off by seasoning our rice. First, we're going to add lime and some chopped cilantro. And no bowl is complete without a great protein. Here's my barbacoa. This is the only piece of this entire recipe I've put all my time into. And being that your protein is your main cost driver on almost every meal, this is where you want your time spent. So let's go ahead and build our bowl. We're going to start with some of that cilantro lime rice we made earlier. We're going to add to that either black beans or pinto beans. I'm going to choose pinto beans. We're going to top that off with our barbacoa. And then to that, we're just going to add a little bit of salsa, some fresh avocado. Top that with some grated manchego cheese, and you have full day flavor with half day effort. And these products aren't just great for a bowl program. You can also use them for other Latin-inspired side dishes like fajitas, or even to make a nice black bean soup. So layer your flavors, choose Furmano's, save yourself some effort.